Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to generate job profitability based on job date by job status wise report in Fresa application. Initially, you need to log into the system, and after your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to Accounts module. Here we have to choose Job Reports to Accounts menu. We can see here various reports available. We have to pick here job profitability based on job date. We have to fill here the columns as per our requirement and then click on submit button to view the report. So once after you click, the report will get generated. If you want to download the report, then click on options. There you can find download button available to download the report. Now choose the format. Once after your click, the report will get downloaded. If you want to view the entire row of the report, then you can choose the rows column to view the report as per your requirement. So this is how you can generate job profitability based on job date by job status wise report in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.